Hello guys, thank you who visited my live today, Thursday. Thank you, Yadav Akas. Thank you, Yadav Akas, Boy 18. Sisikoy Lea de Santis, thank you, Sikoy. Sisikoy Laren, director, of course. Ratina Daduda, thank you. TY Best, thank you, TY Best. Trendy Badsha, thank you. Kiss Love MTV, thank you. Jonatas M. Machado, thank you. Lynn Tim Villarde. Lynn Villarde, sorry, na-delete kita. Nagkamali yung pindot ko, pero na-subscribe na kita. And sa paghabol ni Ading Dialay channel, thank you so much. And to those I did not give moderator, sorry, because you don't have a channel, you don't have a videos. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you guys. Thank you si Kuya Lauren Director, si Kuya Nana YTC, and Job Sinaway. Tot my Sisikoy. Shout out Sisikoy, Good Vibes Maris. Thank you all. Thank you guys for always supporting me. Thank you so much. I'm eating. Shout out everyone. And shout out sa aking kapatid sa Kuwait, Juliet and Vlad. And aking bunso sa Pilipinas, Char Diane. Kumusta ka? Ingat lagi dyan. And to all my loyal supporters, subscribers, my friends, not friends, shout out everyone.